Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. SBC Fest 2023 is coming in just a few weeks and I'm one of the special guests. The classes for SBC Fest are free. You can watch them online live when they're airing, or you can watch the replay. If you're interested, there are class essentials for each of the instructors. Here's a look at mine. It includes a die set and 2 paper pads. And I do have a link in the description box if you want to purchase it. My video today is a homework video. You can get some of the card prepped so you're ready to go when my SBC Fest class goes live. I'm showing the products I'll be using and also some tools I think will be useful to have on hand. I have everything tucked inside one of Scrapbook.com's Crafty storage pouch. The main die set I'll be using is called Fox. There's a fox image and also the sentiment hello. I'll also be using the Harvest pattern paper and Harvest smooth cardstock. And these are the 3 products included in my class essential bundle at Scrapbook.com. The Harvest smooth cardstock is the only colored cardstock I'll be using. I love making fall cards. The Harvest collection is beautiful and the fox image is absolutely adorable. I'll also be using one image from the Autumn Leaves die set, the small maple leaf, for a little bit of sparkle without any mess. I'm also using some of Scrapbook.com's Mixed Metals glitter paper. This is a really pretty paper pad to add just that little bit of sparkle to your cards. Another paper I'll be using is Scrapbook.com's Vellum. So that's all of the paper and dies I'll be using in the class. I'll just tuck them back into the Crafty storage pouch. I love the large size. It even fits 8.5 by 11 inch paper. I have the smaller size pouch with my tools and other essentials. I'll be using one glitter brush in the pretty pink color. I use the clear glitter brush all the time and was so excited to see they have a pink version now. You'll need a tape runner or tape glider. I'll be using Scrapbook.com's Deluxe Adhesive Roller. To hold the dies on my paper, I have a roll of mint tape. You'll need a pair of scissors. I have Scrapbook.com's 5-inch. I don't remember if I used the 5 or the 4-inch now. But you will need a pair of scissors. A pair of reverse tweezers will also be handy, and you'll need some glue. In my class, I'll be using Honeybee Stamp's Precision Tip Glue. When I recorded my class video, Scrapbook.com hadn't released their Artiste glue yet. And I'm not showing them, but you'll also need a die cutting machine and also a paper trimmer. In my class, we will be making 3 cards, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical. So make sure to have some card bases prepped. I like to have the fold on the top of my card, whether it's horizontal or vertical. I also prefer to use a nice heavyweight cardstock. Scrapbook.com has some Nina cardstock that's 110 pounds. Perfect for holding all of the layers I like to add to my cards. For the main card design, here's a look at the pattern paper you'll need. 2 of the leaf design with the brown background. We'll be using the opposite side with that really dark tone-on-tone design. 1 of the beautiful floral patterns, the light green with autumn leaves, and also the red gingham. For the solid colors, you'll need 1 of the reddish orange, 1 yellow, 1 teal, and 2 of the lighter brown color. And all of the paper I'm showing you right now is for the main design of the card. You'll need additional colors and pattern paper from the autumn collection for the die cutting. The cards in my class are all American Standard A2 size, 4¼ inches by 5½ inches. Your main homework assignment is to cut all of the pattern paper and smooth cardstock so you're ready to go. Here are all the pieces with measurements. The reddish orange cardstock piece is 3 3/8 of an inch by 1 1/8 of an inch. You'll need a piece of white cardstock, 2 inches by 2.5 inches. The gingham pattern paper is 2 3/4 of an inch by 3 1/4 of an inch. The floral paper is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And the light brown paper, you'll have 2 pieces, 4 1/8 of an inch by 5 3/8 of an inch. And the smaller piece is 2 1/4 of an inch by 2 3/4 of an inch. And you can either pause the video or do a screenshot to write down all of those measurements. So that's for one card. I'll set all of those aside and grab the papers for the next card. For the teal cardstock, you'll need 3 pieces. The largest piece is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. The next piece is 2.5 inches by 3 1/4 of an inch. And the final teal piece is 2 5/8 of an inch by 3 3/8 of an inch. The leaf pattern paper is 3 3/4 of an inch by 5 inches. The tone-on-tone brown pattern paper, you'll need 2 pieces, 4 1/4 inches by 5.5 inches, and also 4 1/4 of an inch by 1 1/4 of an inch. So that's everything for the second card. So you can pause the video to write down those measurements or do a quick screenshot. For the final card, for the yellow cardstock, this piece is 4 1/4 of an inch by 2 inches. The leaf pattern paper is 5 1/4 of an inch by 4 inches. The light brown paper, you'll need 3 pieces. The largest one is 5 3/8 of an inch by 4 1/8 of an inch. Next size is 4.5 by 2 1/4 of an inch. And the final piece is 3 inches by 1 1/8 of an inch. So go ahead, pause the video, write down all those measurements, or do your quick screenshot. You'll save a lot of time by cutting out all the pattern paper and solid cardstock pieces. I'm so excited for SBC Fest 2023. I still can't believe I was invited to be a special guest. I will be joining the chat when my class is up, and I'm hoping to see lots of my crafty friends. And if you haven't already and you are interested, be sure to purchase my class essential bundles so you'll be ready to go. And I do have a direct link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.